Hello, Algebra 2 students. I just wanted to say I'm so excited to start the year with you. Miss Mullis has said nothing but wonderful things about you, and I know she really prepared you for this year. So I'm just going to do two quick reviews. This is for your review worksheet. I'm not going to go over solving equations. I'm confident that you know how. I'm just going to give you a quick refresher course. So we have this problem here. So what we're going to do, let me turn my pen on. There we go. All right. So what we're going to do here is solve for x. So just a quick review, you know you want to get rid of addition first by, we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. So these cancel out. We're left with 4/5 equals 12. X, sorry, I forgot the x there. So now what you want to do, you can multiply both sides by the reciprocal, or you can just divide by 4/5. X equals, and just to show you, if you multiply by the reciprocal, you're going to get the same thing. So if I have 12 over 1 times, remember we multiply by the reciprocal, so 5/4. So this becomes a 1 and a 3, and we're left with 15. Okay, so we're going to subtract, and then we can just divide by whatever we're multiplying by, or we can multiply by the reciprocal. All right, so that's just a simple two-step problem. The next one here, so let me get rid of all this. There we go. Move this over. Ooh. Okay, so the next one here, this involves all the different steps that you're going to have to do. So the first thing we're going to do here is distribute. So we're going to distribute the 1/2 to both terms. So we get 6x plus 1, and we're going to bring down that x. And remember, if you have to, that has any variable that does not have a coefficient, it's automatically 1. We say if none, add a 1. All right, and then we're going to distribute here, so we get 6 minus 9x. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of those binomials in the parentheses by distributing. Now we're going to look at combining like terms, and we want to combine like terms on each side first. So you can see here we have like terms, 7x, bring down the 1. There are no like terms here, so we're going to bring this down. All right, so once we get down to one variable on each side, we're going to combine like terms on the one side. It doesn't matter which side. I like to get rid of any negative, so I'm going to add a 9x to both sides. So I get 16x plus 1 equals 6. So now what we're going to do is, since we have the variables on the left, we're going to move the numbers on the right. So we're going to subtract. So we get 16x equals 5. And I chose this one because a common mistake I see is dividing both sides by 5, which is normally you do divide by the smaller number. But remember, it's the number in front of the variable, 16. So I'm just going to let that as 5/16, and we're all done. So that's just a quick review for you. I hope that helps you on those problems on your review packet. All right, let me know if you have any questions on it. Thanks.